How to add money to Thinkorswim. So here's what you want to do. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, you will log into Charles Schwab. You want to go to the Charles Schwab website, not the Thinkorswim app itself, to access your account. Next, once you've gone to the Charles Schwab website, you will go to My Account, click on your profile, or navigate to the My Account section. You will then choose deposit/transfer. You will look for deposit or transfer funds. Then you gotta select your transfer method. Most people choose bank transfer, ACH, wire transfer, or check by mail. Next, you gotta enter the transfer details, type how much money you want to transfer and from which account. Submit and wait, you confirm and submit. ACH transfers usually take 1 to 2 business days, and after a few days you can check Thinkorswim. Once funds are available, they'll show up in your Thinkorswim platform under the monitor and account statement section. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.